Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 14th July 2021 in the international market. In US, June's CPI, the Consumer Price Index, rose 5.4% from a year ago, the largest jump since just before the financial crisis. Core CPI rose 4.5%, the sharpest move for that measure since September 1991 and well above the estimate of 3.8%. Let me repeat, June's CPI for US is 5.4% and core CPI at 4.5%. With this new set of CPI information, US 10 and 30-year both inched 4 basis points up at 1.42 and 2.04 percentage points respectively. In the crude oil market, crude is trading again above 75 at $76.31 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is $75 to $80 per barrel. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 92.74. DXY's today's range seems to be 92.30 to 92.84. Once it crosses 92.84, 93 will be certain. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 648. USD INR with a low of 74.41 closed at 74.49. USD INR's range today seems to be 74.40 to 74.80 with a bias towards 74.80. Watch out! US CPI did lift the sentiment for dollar index, but not enough to close it above 93. The next event will be the congressional speech from Jerome Powell on Wednesday and Thursday. The closing for USD INR, the closing of 74.49 indicates USD INR is not ready for 74.50 below levels and looking for 74.75 regime. The major FPI flow should have already hit the market for Zomato IPO, and USD INR bulls will push for today's closing near 74.75, whereas RBI and state banks will try to bring it near 74.50. In the domestic market, as you know, India's retail inflation CPI in June was at 626 versus market expectations of 670. Hence, there was a small relief rally of 2 to 3 basis points seen in Indian bond markets. 563 2026 closed at 572 versus 575 the previous trading day. 664 2035 closed at 675 versus 677 the previous trading day. Now, if we talk about the 13th July 2021 SDL auction cutoff analysis, then 5-year Rajasthan was seen at 629. 7-year Bihar cutoff was at 682. Yes, you heard it right. 7-year Bihar at 682. In the 10-year maturity, Gujarat and Maharashtra cutoff at 695, Tamil Nadu at 698, Goa and UP at 699, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand at 7% and West Bengal at 702. Conclusion: SDL yields are fairly priced now. 10-year GSEC benchmark is now at 610 and 10-year SDLs are now trading at 85 to 90 basis points above the benchmark, which is fair. We do see 720 in a quarter, but 7% is also a good level to enter for your HTM positions if you are short of interest income. Trading strategy: as there are no major negative surprises now, we can do intraday trading freely as the market will be range bound. Market is awaiting GST shortfall related extra borrowing calendar, and rumors were that this extra borrowing will be in the shorter end. Hence, do not jump in to take 563 2026 or 5-year SDL positions for your AFS HFT portfolio. Opportunities will come after the extra borrowing calendar is announced. Trading range for 610 2031 would be 609 to 612 for today as well. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.